Hola, Namaste. Hello everyone, my name is Akanshu Rahel and welcome to my channel Study Spanish. In this video, we will continue the previous lesson in which we will learn how to pronounce farewell words. In Spanish, we say las despedidas. Las despedidas. And yes, if you have not watched the previous video, please do watch it, link in the description. So let's get started. First word is adios. 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 Adios means goodbye. It is mostly used as express farewell, like until we meet again, or when the time period is not certain. Adios. Next word is ciao. 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 Ciao is a casual expression and it is mostly used as bye, with whom you are familiar, like friends and family. Next word is hasta luego. Why it's hasta? Because it is silent, so hasta. Hasta luego. Luego. Hasta luego. Hasta luego means see you later. Hasta luego is a formal salutation and you use it when you want to say goodbye to somebody you may see soon. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Mañana. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana means see you tomorrow. And yes, you can use in both ways, formal and informal. Next word is que tengas. Tengas un buen día. Que tengas un buen día. Que tengas un buen día. Or que tenga un buen día. Que tengas un buen día or que tenga un buen día means have a nice day. So what is the difference between que tengas un buen día or que tenga un buen día? Que tengas un buen día used for informal or que tenga un buen día used for formal. So if you want to say to your friends or to your younger ones, you say que tengas un buen día. Or if you want to say to your teachers, to your boss, to your elder one, you say que tenga un buen día. Let's learn together. Adios means goodbye. Ciao. Ciao means bye. Hasta luego. See you later. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Que tengas or que tenga un buen día means have a nice day. And yes, if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video. Gracias. Thank you.